Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our VT-1100 non-contact dual range voltage detector. This voltage detector is designed to detect the presence of voltage in items such as outlets, switches, fuse panels, circuit breakers, wires, cables, and anything that has the presence of AC voltage. Dual range voltage detection. Low range is from 24 to 1000 volts AC, and high range is from 90 to 1000 volts AC. The detection of AC voltage is via audible and visual signal, meaning the tool will beep at the presence of AC voltage, as well as a red LED will blink at the front of the tool. The tool is Cat 4 1000 volt safety rated and is ETL listed and CE certified. The tool has a convenient built-in flashlight. Its compact and lightweight design allows us to put a pocket clip on it, making it easy to carry. The tool is powered by two AAA batteries that are included.